Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to talk about a kojic clay tube. They have a kojic clay lemon and also kojic clay papaya. Both tubes are very good. You can use it on in the face on its own, or if you are promising your facial treatment cream for pimples or acne or spots, you can add a kojic clay tube if you don't want to use any steroids to premix. Using a kojic clay tube is very good. It doesn't contain any harsh chemical and it doesn't have any steroids on it. That is something that is very good. It's a natural product for you to add when promising facial cream or when you are trying to treat a spot in the body or also in the face. It's very good. And that is all I have to say about this kojic clay. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel to hear more about creams and tube and any other product that I might bring out on my channel. Bye.